everyone, it's Marlene. Thank you so much for joining me today. Beautylish, it came in, my mystery bag. I cannot believe it. I am probably one of the last kids on the block to get this bag. You know, I have been so waiting for it. It was supposed to get here yesterday. I'm recording this on Friday. Hopefully I'll have the video up for tomorrow. But it got stuck in Jacksonville, so I didn't get it until literally like 15 minutes ago, and I have not opened it. In case you're not familiar with the Beautylish mystery box, if you spend $1,000 or more on Beautylish throughout the year, then at the end of the year, I think it's on December 26th, you can order the extra large box that's $150, and you should get about $300 worth of products. If you don't spend $1,000, then you can get the regular box, which is $75, and you should get about $150 worth of products. I saw one lady the other day. She had about $400 worth of products, which I thought was over the top. I think her box was an extra large though, but I have seen really good boxes. Anyway, some people get really disappointed, others get really excited. I am the excited one. This is the first time that I have ordered the Beautylish. Thank you, Michelle. She alerted me that these were gonna go on sale and that I had to go ahead and sign up, because if you don't sign up, then you're one of the last ones, and sometimes they run out. All right, let's see what's in this box. You know what? I don't care. I don't care. If I don't like something or I have it, I'll just pass it on to my sister or my niece or my daughter or my daughter-in-law. It doesn't matter. I'm just excited. If you like mystery, if you like suspense, if you like to be surprised, then this is for you. If you don't like any of those things, oops. If you don't like any of those things, then obviously you're not going to like this. And I'm sure that if you've seen other unboxings, you know that it comes beautifully wrapped. All of Beautylish products come. You order from them, and the packaging is amazing. I'm not going to read the card because everybody has read the card. Nice, pretty paper. Oh my goodness. Let's see, let's see, let's see. Let's see. Everything comes individually packed. Let's see what I got. I paid $75 for my box, like I said at the beginning. I'll leave a total of how much my products are. I'll go in there when I'm editing, and I'll let you know how much my box was. Are you excited? I'm excited. Let me know down below if you got a box. Let me know what you got. Okay. The first thing is the Hylamide, and this is the, I'm not wearing my glasses, HA Blur. This is a primer. I think I saw Michelle had this as well. Quite a few YouTubers have talked about this product. I've also seen it on Instagram, but I'm excited. This is by the DShade company. All right, well that's good. And a clean, for a brush cleaner, Rose Brush Cleaner. Oh, it smells really nice. I haven't used this one. All right, well, I need some brush cleaner. I still have some of my Cinema Secrets, but we can never have enough brush cleaners, right? And this is, what is this? This is a JOUER lip topper. I love JOUER lip toppers. Oh my goodness. And I can't see a gosh darn thing. I can't see what shade it is or anything because I can't see. Oh, I know I don't have this one. I know I don't. Well, I did get my glasses. It's in Skinny Dip, and I don't remember if I have this one or not, but if I have it, it's just a small sample. So I am over the top excited because I love JOUER toppers. Oh my gosh. It's so pretty. It is so pretty. There it is. Oh, so pretty. I'm excited. That makes me happy. Let's see. I'm not going to look. Not going to look. Oh, I got a NATASHA DENONA glow. A face and glow. Oh my goodness. This is my first NATASHA DENONA ever. I am so excited. Could you tell I'm excited? makeup makes me very happy. It's right down here. Isn't that pretty? Ooh, it's a glow. Did I tell you that I just got home from school? Well, not just, but I just a few hours ago. So I had to put my hair back in a bun because it's Friday. Bad hair day. NATASHA DENONA glow. Yay. Is there anything else? Yes. What is this? This is a Wayne Goss brush. Another first for me. I don't have any Wayne Goss brushes. This is a number 20, and there it is. This looks like maybe for the outer V or the crease or something. I know. What could I tell you? You know, what could I say? Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Holy moly. I got my money's worth. This is amazing. And I don't have it. This is the Viseart palette, and what is this in? You know, even if it's the mini, it doesn't matter. I only have 3 Viseart palettes, the Amethyst, the Minx, and I have a blush one. Oh my gosh. I have been wanting this palette. They had to have made a mistake. I only paid $75. Look at the Viseart palette that I got. This palette is about $80. Oh my gosh, I have been wanting this palette. I don't even know for how long. This is the 04 Dark Matte. Oh my goodness. Oh my gosh. I'm gonna cry. I'm so excited. No, I'm not gonna cry. Oh, there's still more. I got a Lip Tar liquid lipstick. This is a liquid lipstick. I had to put on my glasses so I could read and tell you. It's by Obsessive Compulsive Cosmetics, and it is in Artifact. Sorry. If you are not familiar with Obsessive Compulsive Cosmetics, they are a vegan and cruelty-free brand. Look at this. Look at that. Is that not beautiful? Oh my goodness. I would have been happy just with that Viseart palette. Alright, I know. Very, very excited. Let me recap. I have the face, what is this? The Face Glow from NATASHA DENONA. The Brush Shampoo. The Wayne Goss number 20 brush, the Obsessive Compulsive, it's called a Lip Tar. I imagine that it's a liquid lipstick, but it doesn't dry down. It's not a drying one, so I'm excited about that. The Hylamide primer, the JOUER lip topper in Skinny Dip, and I do have this one. I just have the small one. This is my favorite lip topper, and of course the Viseart palette, and this is in 04 Dark Mattes. So I think I did really, really good. I'm really excited. I know that it exceeded the $75 that I paid. The palette alone is $80. So yay, I get to try new things, and I am blown away by my box. I am very, very thank you. Thank you, Beautylish. This was an amazing box. I'm so excited. I'm so happy I did this. Can I say one more time, I'm so excited. Thank you everyone. Let me know down below if you have tried any of these products. Let me know what you received in your Beautylish box. Let me know what you think about these products, and let me know if maybe next year are you going to try it. I'd love to hear from you. Thank you everyone for spending this time with me. I really, really appreciate it. I appreciate every single one of you. I hope everyone is having a wonderful day. And don't forget, ladies, follow your passion, whatever it may be. I'll see you next time. Bye.